What makes this a better business opportunity than a lot of businesses is just the opportunity itself. And I would say this is a very simple business and a very low overhead business and a very profitable business compared to the scale of the opportunity. The attributes of a successful dealer are somebody who is enthusiastic, passionate about what they do. Is better than a franchise in that it is truly your own business. You're not paying a royalty. We like to call it loyalty without the royalty. So we have many of the great attributes that a franchise has. We help you with marketing. We have a lot of onboard support. It's a very complete model. The way I would describe it is a real well-oiled machine. If you follow the model, you should be successful.
The corporate team offers a substantial amount of support from product training, installation training, and marketing services. We have an in-house team of graphic designers, videographers, internet marketers, social media strategists, and general marketers.
We're not garage product salespeople, we're garage consultants. The products are awesome. It's really not the products. It's our ability to go into someone's garage that they perceive as a nightmare. They don't know how to deal with it, and we can quickly see how to design a solution. The result of that is very, very happy customers and a lot of referral and a lot of repeat clients. Myself, I was a dealer for 8 years. You know, I've owned businesses before and I've worked in corporate America. And I would say for a business that you actually own, the balance is fantastic. And financially, it is financially even more rewarding than most jobs that require you to work many more hours. We have people that are well-seasoned business people, but we have people that have never owned a business before. No, you don't have to have owned a business before. I would say the only factor is if you've been in business before for yourself. I think in some respects your learning curve could be a little bit quicker, but where you start and where you finish are two different things. We're in the problem-solving business, so you've got to be somebody who loves working with people. If you love organization and consider yourself an organized person, this is going to be something you really enjoy.